its heritage, but it's always looking to the future. We would emerge as an independent country with many great advantages, thanks to the massive natural resources of our country. We would emerge as the 6th most prosperous country in the Organisation of Economic Cooperation and Development, according to GDP per head. But also, the quest for independence is not just about the wealth and strength of the Scottish economy. We want to see a society which has compassion at its heart. We offer malice towards nobody. We offer friendship towards all, particularly those other nations in these islands, but across the European continent and beyond. We seek to play a responsible role in the international community of nations. Can I offer 2 final points? The first of which is really for our friends in the international press. Many characteristics of the democratic process, which has been re-establishing Scottish self-government through the Home Rule Association, through the Parliament, through devolution and now the debate on independence. But one characteristic, above all, should mark that progress. This has been over 100 years and more, an entirely democratic process. Not a single person has lost their life arguing for or against Scottish independence. There hasn't been so much as a nosebleed in the course of an entire century. It's a democratic tradition of which we are rightfully proud and which we share, of course, across these islands. That is the method and way, an exemplar with which we conduct this process and debate about independence. And secondly, as we look forward to this great debate, as we look forward to 2014, then we see the opportunity to build a Scotland at ease with itself as a prosperous European society, which styles itself not on the might of its weaponry, but on the compassion of its social services, which offers friendship and cooperation to its near neighbours and across the European continent and beyond. That is the Scotland which we see. That is a Scotland worth debating for. And so let that great debate now begin.